Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I don't even know if you're going to be able to hear me. It is downpouring like crazy here today. But I'm going to do the video anyway, and I hope you still find value in it, and I hope you are able to hear me. If this is the first time visiting my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been doing this full-time since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, today I thought I would talk to you about your savings and how your savings could be hurting you and what you should do instead. And before I get started, I'm not a financial advisor or an expert in any of this. I just simply let others know what I learned, So I try to provide value in my videos. And this is something that is a fact. I mean, anybody can go and look this up, or, even if you have a savings account, even if you have a lot of money in your savings account, you're not earning any money, right? I mean, very, very few people have the amount of money that you would need in there to have a sustainable amount of interest being paid every month to you. Now, if you have a high yield savings account, that's a little bit different. But the bottom line is most people just put their money into a bank savings account, because they're not aware of all these other options. And if you're doing that, you are definitely losing money, all right? The bank is ripping you off, and the bank is making money off of your money, and then they pay you very, very little in exchange for that, all right? And we're talking like very, very little. So what I like to do is I like to allocate my money in different things, different investments. But one of the things that I do is I take my money and I invest it into my quicksilver business. And what that allows me to do is that allows me to trade my fiat currency, which is backed by absolutely nothing, for something of real tangible value. All right. So every month we have what's called an auto wealth delivery. And I had that set up. So every 30 days, I'm getting silver sent to my doorstep on autopilot. All right, it's kind of like investing in your 401k plan at work. Every pay period, you might have a certain amount of money go into your retirement account. And this is the same thing, except the fact that silver has been increasing first of all, it's been used for thousands of years as real money. People call it God's money. Second of all, it's increasing like crazy right now. It's at $49 and some change the last time I checked, which was just this morning. And it's going to continue to go up in value. All right. Whereas our dollar bill is continuing to go down in value. It's devalued every time our Federal Reserve prints more money. All right. So our dollar bill is it's being more and more devalued every single day. And it's lost 97% of its purchasing power since 1913, when the Federal Reserve was established. All right, so I am trading my paper money backed by nothing for something that has real value all over the world, and something that is going to continue to go up in value. There's an H1 Hummer that just went by me. That's awesome, if you're into cars. So that's what I'm doing. And that's what, because $10,000 in a savings account, it barely grows, right? But imagine spending $10,000 and investing that in silver right now. Excuse me. But imagine taking $10,000 and investing that in the silver right now, and then within the next year, silver it doubles in value, right? I mean, there's nothing else on the planet that gives you that type of return on your investment, right? I mean, maybe if you got into Bitcoin when it first started, but there's nothing right now that will give you that type of investment. Not that I'm aware of. I mean, if there is something, let me know down in the comments. Because like I said, I'm not an expert with any of this. I'm just sharing with what I'm learning. But I mean, that's why I use Quicksilver. It's a system that allows me to change my devalued dollars for something that has real value. It helps feed starving children all around the world, because they partnered up with a nonprofit organization called Feed My Starving Children. So they take part of all their proceeds and donate it. And then thirdly, it gives me the opportunity to grow my residual income. by sharing the opportunity with other people. And by doing so, you can get paid up to 7 different ways. Now, I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me in Quicksilver, because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But I can guarantee you that you will be trading your fiat currency for something that is tangible and has real value, right? And if you decide to go and share the opportunity, you can get paid up to 7 different ways. You know, so that is what I'm doing. But no matter what, you shouldn't let your money just sit in a bank savings account, earning nothing, right? I mean, it's just stagnant in a bank account. My nose itches so bad today. I don't know if it's because of the weather or what. Maybe what does that mean when your nose itches? You're gonna fall into money or something? I don't know. But don't let your money just sit there and not do anything for you, right? Wealthy people, they put their money to work for them, and they have their money work for them, right? So each one of their dollar bills they send out, it's like their little army, and they go out there and they recruit more $1 bills. That's what you want to do. You don't want to have your all your savings sitting in a bank savings account that's paying you 0.1% in interest. You know, you want to have your money working for you, creating more money for you. And that's why I'm part of Quicksilver. I love the opportunity. I love the company itself. The owners are super transparent, and you know, you're doing several different things. You know, like I said, you're getting something of real value every single month. You're helping people in need every single month and with every single purchase, and you have the chance to build your monthly residual income by sharing it with other people. You know, it's a win-win for everybody. So down below this video, I'll have a link where you can go and check out Quicksilver, and you can get a free bar of silver sent to your doorstep. You pay a $2.74 shipping charge, and they'll send you a bar of silver to your door just for checking us out. And then obviously, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me, because I'm here to help you out. But that is what I recommend doing, you know. Or maybe you want to put some of your money into an index fund, or you know, something other than sitting in a bank savings account earning absolutely nothing. All right, you're hurting yourself doing that. But right now, silver is going through the roof. I think it's not going to be very long before we see a new all-time high. And the experts are saying that it could, you know, double and even get into the mid triple digits within the next year. So I don't know about that. You know, I think in all reality, nobody really knows. But that's what they're saying. And I trust them more than a lot of other people. So I hope you found value in this video. I hope you were able to hear it. I cannot believe this rain. It's just absolutely crazy. But I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And also, I have a new membership down here on my YouTube channel that you can join for $2.99 a month. You get customized emojis. You get a little badge next to your name. You'll get a shout out from me here and there. I'll also do some other cool things in the future. But that's just, you know, it's just an optional option. I don't expect anybody to join my membership, but I worked hard getting my YouTube channel monetized. And, you know, I'm just proud of myself for sticking with it and showing up every day and taking action and, you know, working hard to get my channel monetized. So I also have super chats too, and super thanks if you feel like buying me a cup of coffee or, you know, find value in any of my videos. So anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.